we will study about the rise, Nayaks and Sultans. Sultans of Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Golconda. The Rayas were the rulers of Vijayanagar, and the Nayak was the military commander of the Vijayanagar Empire. We should know about it. Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire was founded in 1336 by Harihar and Bukka. So these brothers Harihar and Bukka founded the Vijayanagar Empire in 1336. This empire was lasted till the Battle of Talikot in 1565, when Ram Rai, last ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire, was defeated by combined force of the Deccan Sultanates. Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda combined forces attacked on Ram Rai, and Vijayanagar Empire was defeated, and Deccan Sultan army ransacked the empire विजयनगर सिटी. सो हमें ये जानना चाहिए कि विजयनगर जो साम्राज्य था उसमें कुछ आर्किटेक्चर में हम टेम्पल्स देखते हैं. विजयनगर जो साम्राज्य है, जिस क्षेत्र में विजयनगर एम्पायर है, उस एरिया के अंदर चोलास और कर्नाटका के होयसल्स रूलर्स ने रूल किया था, और जिस प्रकार की आर्किटेक्चर, जिस प्रकार का डेवलपमेंट पहले से चला रहा था, उसी को विजयनगर साम्राज्य के रूलर्स ने आगे कैरी ऑन किया. Brideshwar temple of the Tanjore and Chenakeswa temple of the Belur. These are the temples which gives the sign of the prosperity of the Vijayanagar Empire. Here students, in Vijayanagar Empire, kings promoted the trade. So we should know about the kings and traders. Dear students of the west coast, this is the east coast and this is the west coast. Here the rulers of the Vijayanagar Empire established an empire in this basin of the Krishna and Tungabhadra basin. कृष्णा तुंगभद्रा बेसिन में यहाँ पर विजयनगर साम्राज्य की स्थापना की गई, और अरब ट्रेडर्स स्टार्टेड टू केम ऑन द वेस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया. भारत के इस वेस्ट कोस्ट के ऊपर अरब मर्चेंट्स आने लगे थे. अरब मर्चेंट्स वर engaged in trade of the variety of the commodities, and even though they were engaged in the forced trade, local Udirai Chetis are the local communities who were also engaged in horse merchants. Udirai Chetis were engaged in horse merchant. So these were the local communities. These local communities with the Arab merchants engaged in the trade. Trade also flourished at the time of the Vijayanagar Empire. विजयनगर साम्राज्य के समय में ट्रेड भी फ्लोरिश होता रहा, और ट्रेड में पहले अरब मर्चेंट, लोकल कम्युनिटी जो कुदिराई मर्चेंट्स हैं, ये कुदिराई चेटीस हैं, ये लोकल मर्चेंट हैं, ये भी हॉर्स मर्चेंट में हॉर्स ट्रेड के अंदर इंगेज थे. थर्ड पार्टी विच अपीयर्ड इन 1498. In 1498, वास्को डी गामा केम टू इंडिया ऑन द वेस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ द केरला. वास्को डी गामा केरल में यहाँ पर पहुँचे. After the coming of the Vasco da Gama on the west coast, Portuguese travelers also established trade and military stations on the west coast of the India. Portuguese established first a trade post, then military stations on the west coast of the India. So students, first we should know about the Arab merchants contribution and local merchant Udirai Chetti's contribution, and finally we should know about the contribution of the Portuguese who established the trade and military station on the west coast of the India. So kings of the Vijayanagar Empire promoted the trade. So these were the three important parties who were involved in the trade. First one is the Arab merchants, second one is the Udirai Chettis, Udirai Chettis were the local merchants who were engaged in the horse trade. Third one is the Portuguese. Portuguese established a trade and a military station on the west coast of the India. So, west coast of the India became very important for the trade purpose. In the time of the Vijayanagar Empire during the 14th and 16th century. 14th and 16th century में ट्रेड रूट्स के लिए हमारा जो वेस्टर्न कोस्ट है ये इम्पोर्टेंट रहा। बच्चों, गजपति, अशोकपति एंड नरपति मेडिवल पीरियड के भारत के इतिहास में ये राजा जो थे इन्होंने डिफरेंट टाइटल्स लिए। गजपति, इट मीन्स लॉर्ड ऑफ एलिफेंट्स। इन द एरिया ऑफ द उड़ीसा elephants are found in abundant quality. So, rulers of the Odisha were expertise in the use of the elephants for military purpose. So, Odisha rulers were lords of elephants. It means they were called themselves as Gajpati, lord of elephants. In the same way, Deccan Sultans. Deccan Sultans means Sultans of Bijapur, Sultans of Ahmednagar, Sultans of Golconda, Bidar and Barar. All these five Deccan Sultans were called themselves as Ashokapati, lord of horses. They were very skilled in the war with the horses. So cavalry was a very important part for the Ashokapati, Deccan Sultans. And finally, लॉर्ड ऑफ मेन वर द रूलर्स ऑफ द विजयनगर एम्पायर। विजयनगर एम्पायर के जो शासक थे वो अपने आप को नरपति कहना था। सो गजपति वर द रूलर्स ऑफ द उड़ीसा एंड अशोकपति वर द डेक्कन सुल्तान्स ऑफ अहमदनगर, बीजापुर, गोलकुंडा, बीदर एंड बरार, एंड नरपति वर द विजयनगर रूलर्स। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस टॉपिक tells us about the architecture of the Vijayanagar Empire due to prosperity of the Vijayanagar Empire and kings and how kings promoted the trade.